ovaj lijep. Miriši lijepo?
Ja.
Čekaj da ga slikam. Smell me. Let me smell. Ali miriši lijepo. Miriši ovo. Je? Miriši ovo sunce. Miriši lijepo, jel?
Okay. Here is our room decoration. Jučer bio Piggy, danas je... Šta je to, Nancy? Je to elephant? Oh, we're going into Akaka Falls State Park. La, 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 in Kona. La, 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 la.
Polako dolazimo in port to Kauai. Ovo je least developed ili ima najmanje access za vozit na puno mjesta na otoku. Je sve lijepo sačuvana priroda. Sve su islands lijepe, ja mislim da će ova biti najljepše jer je najviše sačuvana priroda.
And so are we.
a roof. Wow, Nancy, you're great. How did you do that? Kauai. Ima puno chickens. Okay, adi sa igrat. Adi, ima isamo tako free roaming chickens. Uh-oh. Nancy. Oj. Trči, Nancy dolazi. Trči. Kuda on ide? Nije baš ni do oko auta. Evo. Kud je otišao? Has landed, and now we're going to walk into the Forbidden. This is where the Jurassic Park was filmed, the falls. This is a forbidden place to come. I mean, not forbidden, but nobody else can come here because it's private land. You can only come by helicopter. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Helicopter pad was right over here on the breakwater. But the day after the movie was completed, Hurricane Iniki hit the island. The water was so powerful coming over the fall, it broke the concrete pad in pieces.
My God.
You used to land right there?
Yeah.
Well, what happened here? I'm so nervous. Sorry.
Hope you know that.
Thank you. As many as about 10. Oh, there we go.
And from the camera, I took this way a little bit.